In this video, I'll be showing you how to increase your factory's efficiency by implementing control valves to evenly distribute items across your setup. I won't be going in depth on the different formulas used for each algorithm, since we'll be using a calculator I made to handle the math for us. To get started, copy the GitHub page link in the description and open it in your browser. Once the page loads, you'll see the valve bypass calculator interface. On the top left, click the instructions icon or label to show the instruction panel, where you can see what each input means. You can also open the source code and view the instructions from the README, which explains each value more thoroughly. Now, we'll start with the easiest scenario. In this setup, there are 5 machines in a straight line, all consuming the same amount of items per second, with the source starting at the first machine. Under Total Machines, enter 5. Leave the other options for now, and then click Calculate. To the right, those are the percentage values you'll be entering on each bypass. You can quickly copy each value by clicking on it. Note that if the percentage is 50 or 100, you can use a pipe junction instead of a control valve. I'm only using control valves to make it visually consistent. Now let's introduce asymmetry. In this scenario, there are 9 total machines, and the source is between machine 3 and 4. Enable asymmetric start, enter 9 for total machines. To figure out what number to enter for source start, remember that the number you're entering is L, and the source is between machine L and L plus 1. In this scenario, L is 3 because the source start is between machine 3 and 4 as shown. Now click Calculate. Under the Calculate button, there's a box that shows what values you entered to double check. Now, copy the C1 valve value and enter that into where the source start split is. The bypass should be connected to the right side of the split, and the regular input should be connected to the left side. As you can see, the silos are receiving the same number of items equally. Now let's move on to the next scenario, which introduces variable machine consumption rates. Make sure asymmetric start is off and turn on variable machine rates. This setup has 8 machines, so enter that. And for this example, the white silos will have a rate of 1 and the gold silos will have a rate of 2. Click on the first box, then press Enter after you type in the rate to quickly move you to the next box. Now click Calculate. It's good to look through the inputs to double check the values. Now let's enter these bypass percentages into the control valves. As you can see, all the white silos have the same number of items in them, as well as the gold silos. And also notice how the items inside the gold silo is twice the number of items in the white silos, since the rate is double of the white silo. Finally, we can move towards the last scenario. This setup has 9 total machines, which has both an asymmetrical start and a variable consumption rate. Make sure asymmetric start and variable machine rates are toggled on. and enter 9 in total machines. As you can see, the source start is between 4 and 5, so enter 4 in source start. We'll be using the same rates as the previous setup, 1 for white silos and 2 for gold silos. Then click Calculate. Now enter the percentages on all the valve controls. As you can see, white silos have the same amount of items and gold silos have double the items. If you encounter any problems with the calculator or have a question on valve controls, leave them in the comments. That will be all.